Hello guys, so my stepdad checked one of the airlines, the Korean Air, and they have this listed that was being restricted, dog restricted, that they don't accept to fly in air cargo. So I'm gonna read it to you guys because I just have 1 minute. Okay, so first is Affenpinscher, American Bully, Boston Terrier, Boxer, Brussels Griffon, Bulldog, Cane Corso, Chihuahua, Chow Chow, Dog Argentino, Dogo de Bordeaux, English Toy Spaniel, King's Charles Spaniel, Japanese Chin, Lhasa Apso, Newfoundland, Pekinese, Pug, Shar-Pei, Shih Tzu, Tibetan Spaniel, Mastiff, Pitbull, American Staffordshire Terrier.